guys, it's Abria here, and I wanted to go over and show you what the Savvy Mineral Starter Kit has. Before we start, let me just go into a little bit about my love for makeup. I love me some makeup, coffee, and babies, but I really love some makeup. I love pops of color, and in my journey of like getting toxins out of my house and away from my family, I was so good about that. I had no problems ditching and switching and getting all of the yucky soaps and all of the yucky candles out of my home. That was easy for me. But what was not easy was getting rid of my toxic makeup. That was super, super hard, if I could be honest. I was so afraid that going all natural would mean I had to look like this. So scary. Nobody has time for that. So then I started to get into Savvy Minerals once they launched that makeup line because I had no excuse. I could not use other brands, and I had to use the purest, most amazing brand ever. So I did that. And at first, the colors were kind of just plain for me, and I mourned pigment and I mourned pops of color. I would walk by beauty stores in the mall and be like, oh, gross, but long for the colors, and I would just kind of cry a little bit inside. Okay, that is no longer the case because, as you can see, Young Living has came out with pops of color that are just so beautiful, and I am in heaven. Yes. But let's talk about the kit. So the kit itself, they have 4 different foundation kits. You're gonna pick the color that's closest to your skin type. I like to blend foundation colors together, so even if it's not a perfect match, get the one that's closest to yours, and then you can get another foundation, and then you blend them, and then they match, and then you love life, and then you have a color that you can use throughout the seasons. So I'm a warm 2 and a warm 3. So during the winter, I'm more of a warm 2, and during the summer, I'm more of a warm 3. So I can start mixing and transition into those colors as the year goes by. So that's amazing. Okay, so this beautiful thing is gorgeous. First of all, look at this beautiful silver lining and beautiful pop of pink. They spare no expense. So you get all of this in the kit, which is $150. You get your premium product foundation, which is mineral foundation. You get the foundation brush. You get a beautiful lip gloss. You get a blush. You get the misting spray, which, let me tell you a little bit about the misting spray. The misting spray itself is gives everything a 2-for-1. So when you spray the misting spray on your foundation brush and you put your foundation on, that's gonna give you a more pigmented foundation. That's gonna give you a fuller coverage. So that's a win-win. The misting spray itself, when you mix it with eyeshadow, it's gonna give you a darker, fuller color. So you have one color eyeshadow and it could be like a shimmer pretty color. And then when you use the misting spray with that color, it gets darker, richer, and deeper, so then you have a whole nother color, and you can mix the eyeshadows or the multitaskers and make eyeliner, which is super amazing. Then we pull this back and there's more. Okay, so we have 3 eyeshadows, and each kit is gonna have a little bit of a different color palette, so I will make sure that I post a graphic to show you the different colors that come with each foundation. Then you get a lavender essential oil. Everyone wearing makeup needs lavender. First of all, it's great for your skin. Second of all, how many times do you actually do your makeup when you're not rushed and stressed? I know, I'm constantly doing my makeup. I'm constantly doing my makeup crazy and stressed out. So lavender helps calm as you put your eyeshadow on. So the whole kit comes with the 9 pieces, which, like I said, is an amazing deal because they're premium products. This is not a product that you can just find at a pharmacy. This is premium products. These are good for you. There's none of the yucky toxins. The toxins that I can't even pronounce. They're not in here. They're not in here. Another thing that I think is awesome about the kit is it comes with this little brochure that goes over all of Young Living's different products. It goes over the Seed to Seal, a little bit about Gary Young, and of course it goes over essential rewards, which you're gonna wanna get because you're gonna wanna get more makeup. There's tons other products with Savvy Minerals, and you're gonna wanna get the free points to order more makeup and makeup delivered to your doorstep. Yes, please. Another thing that I think it's worth its weight in gold that comes in this kit is this brochure right here. It goes over why this makeup is so amazing, what toxins are not in it, what comes with kits, different colors. But here is the best part. Step by step how to contour. Okay, I get asked this question all the time, but this makes it so easy. So easy, step by step how to contour. The next thing it does is step by step how to do a smoky eye. They're so easy. I've actually taught classes just by having people go through this brochure. So if you're not fully comfortable with makeup and you're like, I don't really know how to use it, or I don't feel comfortable putting it on, this right here is a 1, 2, 3 step no-brainer. You can do it. This makes it so easy, and I think it's a great resource for the kit. So that's it. That's the starter kit. It's amazing. You want it, and you want to give it to everyone else. Have a great day.